What can you do if you cannot open a document on your Android? Let me explain that and talk about some possible fixes for this. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. There are a few reasons why you cannot open your documents. One of the most common reasons is that the file is simply corrupt. Like, it happened to me a few times that I was browsing my documents inside of the Files app, and I noticed that when I tapped on one document, it simply didn't work, even if I chose the proper app or whatever. But then I noticed that the size of that file is literally 0 bytes, right? It just meant that the file is somehow corrupted, it doesn't work, there is literally nothing inside of it, and that's why I cannot even open it. But in other cases, it might happen that you simply don't have the proper application to open it with. Like, you can see if I go to my docs files or PDFs, I can tap on it and it asks me of which app I want to open it with. But if it doesn't do that, just hold down on it, click on the three dots and choose the open with. And it's going to ask you which app you want to open that document with. So it's going to give you plenty of options from the built-in apps. So pick something and try plenty of different apps. But even if you don't see anything interesting, just download an app from the Play Store, which should work with it. For example, I have downloaded the app which is called PDF Gear, and at this time, it doesn't even matter if I have like a Word document or a PDF, it doesn't matter what it is. I basically have the ability to just open it up through this application, and if it's a proper file, then it just works fine. I can open it like this and work with it, right? But as I say, more apps which can open and handle documents. So just look something up on the Play Store, as I said, a PDF Gear or Microsoft Word or Google Docs or something. Just download that to your device and then you will be able to open those documents with this application, and it should hopefully make it work and, make sure that it actually can be open. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one, and I'll see you later.